Hi everybody, welcome back to our kitchen, and today we're going to work together to make chocolate chip cookies. We're very excited today. So you need a big mixing bowl, and we've all got our own spoon, okay? We've already set the oven to 325, so it's going to be ready for us to put in when we're done mixing. Okay, the first thing we're going to start with is 2 sticks of butter, and we've softened these to room temperature, so they're ready to go. Amelia, would you like to add the sugar, please? Amelia's going to add 3/4 cups of the sugar, and Evelyn's going to add 3/4 cups of brown sugar. And then we're going to mix it all up. Whoa, look at that. Okay, girls, start mixing. So you really want to get that butter.
Sure, playing the album Mixing on Spotify.
Oh. Guess we've got some music. You girls keep mixing.
Yay!
Watch my floor. We want the butter to be all churned up, all with the sugar. Okay.
And make yummy, yummy cookies.
Yes. Mix, mix, mix. No, you wouldn't like it yet. It wouldn't taste very yummy yet. Okay, can you girls wipe your spoons? I'm going to give it a little bit more of a mix. And Amelia, will you get the flour, please?
I want to do
And
the eggs.
Evelyn, you can get ready with the eggs.
I want to do one of the eggs.
Sure. Wait, she's going to do the flour first.
Keep stirring.
Yeah, keep stirring. Try not to flick it out of the bowl.
Right. One egg.
Evelyn, you get ready with your egg, okay?
But I might get some on my hand.
Well, then we'll just wash it after.
I just want you to.
Okay, I can crack it for you. And
But
then
I want to crack it.
Sure, you start cracking, Amelia. You tap your egg gently on the side of the bowl. Yep, Amelia knows how to do it. And then you pull it, and you try really carefully not to get any shells in. Yeah, and then put your garbage over there. Do you want to crack it, Ev, on the side?
No. I'll.
Good, and get everything mixing up. Good job, Amelia. Okay, so you want your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients to be all mixed together. It takes a lot of patience and muscles to do so much mixing. Can you go, Amelia, go wipe your hands wash your hands in the sink. You've got eggs. Okay, not yet, Evelyn. Next is gonna be we're gonna do a teaspoon of hot water. So yeah, that's that right there, Evelyn. We've already prepared it ahead of
Can I
time.
do it?
Yep. So 1 teaspoon of hot water, and then Evelyn's gonna use this teaspoon to get me some baking soda. Just 1 scoop.
Okay. One big giant scoop.
1 big. Whoa. Okay. So let's get this all mixed in, and then
Where's my
Evelyn,
spoon?
will you also get me a teaspoon of this vanilla? Okay.
I want to.
So she's going to do that. Amelia, you can do the nuts, which are going to be next. So Evelyn's just going to get me 1 teaspoon. Oh my goodness. That's okay. Can you get a cloth? Go get a cloth.
Nuts.
You got to
We
be
have to
prepared
do
for
all
messes
of
in
them.
your kitchen, right, Amelia?
All of them?
Hold on, I'm not ready for that yet because this is still really wet. So Evelyn's going to help me clean up that. It smells so nice, though, that vanilla, doesn't it?
I want to smell it.
You can't smell it? It's right here. Evelyn spilled it. Okay, it's a little bit strong, yeah. Good. Okay, so you got to make sure that your wet and your dry are all mixed together so that it's like a dough, okay? Yes, now we're getting ready for the nuts, Amelia. You can get the nuts in there.
And I'll do these.
Yep.
All of them?
Yep, we're going to do 2 cups of nuts.
Nine?
And Evelyn, you can do the chocolate chips. So pour the whole bag in, Evelyn. Whole bag.
Whole bag?
Yep, we're going to have...
But Amanda can do some.
Oh, you want to do some of that? Okay, Evelyn do half and Amelia do half. That was very kind of you, Evelyn. So, can you pour them into the bowl? so that we don't get them
Pour
on.
some in my hand for Amelia. Okay.
Okay. Pour them out of the bag into the bowl.
All of them?
Yep. Oh, let's do it together. That's a good idea. Hey, are you taste testing? Okay. So as we're gonna work on mixing our dough, no more, until they're cooked. Okay, so you want everything to get really mixed in there. All your dry and all your wet have to be in a nice dough in order to go into the oven. So you know what, girls? We're gonna get our hands in there and we're gonna mix this dough.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Not me.
No, you don't want to help?
No.
You want to help, Amelia?
I already got my hands dirty.
Okay.
It's Evelyn's time.
I want to make sure that I get all the flour. See how there's still dry flour at the bottom, Amelia?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want any dryness. You want everything to have some of the wetness on it, like the egg and the water and all that. Doesn't it smell so good?
Yes, can I have one?
Okay, so, whoa, we have got a really nice cookie dough here. It is so squishy.
Can I try?
Yeah, put your hands in. So after we're done mixing our dough, we're gonna spoon them little spoonfuls onto our greased baking sheet. And then we're gonna put them in the oven for 10 minutes. And then we will be ready to taste our magnificent cookies. What do you think, girls?
Wait, what about the baking soda?
Yeah, Evelyn did that.
I wanted to do that too.
Oh, sorry. If we add too much, then the cookies won't turn out properly. But I think everybody got a turn to do something today, right? Okay. I think we're gonna start getting our cookies in the oven and cleaning up. We've made quite a mess of this kitchen.
Goodbye.
So let's do some work together and clean up.
I
See you
didn't
next
make any
time.
mess. Bye. And I did not make